She was drowning in debt at 22. Owing $10,000 on credit cards. Meet Emily, 25, a Starbucks barista. She just saved $100,000. Emily earned $28,000 a year. Her apartment cost $1,800 a month. She was barely scraping by. 63% of Americans can't afford a $1,000 emergency. Emily spent $5 on coffee every day. That's $1,825 a year on coffee. She had no savings plan. The average American saves just 7.5% of income. Emily's problem was lifestyle inflation. As she earned more, she spent more. She bought a new iPhone for $1,000. And a $400 monthly car payment. Everything changed when Emily met Rachel. Rachel was a financial advisor. She taught Emily the 50/30/20 rule. 50% on necessities, 30% on wants, 20% on savings. Emily cut her coffee habit. She started cooking at home. She saved $500 a month on food. And $200 a month on coffee. Emily increased her income too. She started a side hustle on weekends. Pet sitting for $25 an hour. That's an extra $400 a month. Emily invested her savings in a high-yield savings account, earning 4.5% interest a year. That's $4,500 a year on interest. In just 3 years, Emily saved $100,000. Her net worth increased by 400%. She's now debt-free and financially free. 75% of millionaires are self-made. You can do the same. Start by tracking your expenses. Cut back on unnecessary spending. And start investing your savings. Subscribe now for more wealth-building tips.